morning, guys. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited. It's Friday, and I am so happy to be here with you guys posting a video recipe. I kind of fell off the map with writing, and especially being here on anywhere near my YouTube channel during the summer. But my kids are home, and they keep me enormously busy. But they're back to school now, and so that means it's time for me to get back to work. And like I said, I could not be happier to be here. I don't know about you guys, but when the kids go back to school, I'm immediately obsessed with my favorite season, and that's fall. Okay, love fall. Temperatures are perfect. It's breezy, wonderful. It's not fall here. It's still 200 degrees outside. My car thermometer is regularly registering well into the hundreds every day. But that doesn't mean I'm not thinking about fall. Maybe you're in the same boat. My friends and family on Facebook, the minute the temperatures drop here, I see picture after picture in my Facebook feed of everybody's pots of chili. Okay, the pot of chili is the go-to, inaugural fall dish for so many people I know and love. So today, I'm going to start a series here with my family's fall favorite foods. And the first that came to mind was, of course, chili. So I'm going to show you how to put together our favorite home-style, simple. I make a mild pot of chili because my kids just won't handle super spicy. We're going to put this together. It goes on the slow cooker for 4 hours, and it will be a flavorful, wonderful, versatile pot of chili for your friends. But anyhow, we're going to jump right in here. Okay, so we have our 2 pounds of ground turkey, which I have already browned. I was not going to bore you with the browning of the turkey. Okay, so then we are going to take our spices. I have here about a tablespoon of ancho chili powder and a tablespoon of ground cumin. We're just going to toss those in there. Oh, a little bit left in there. I have 2 medium cloves of garlic, which I minced. Okay, I've got about 3/4 cup of sweet onion, which I diced very finely. I have to dice it finely, otherwise my kids will spend their entire life picking every bit of onion out. I have a 15-ounce can of navy beans here, which I have already rinsed and drained. So we're going to go ahead and pour those in there. Some dark red kidney beans. I'm going to put those in there as well. And then, you guys know I love there's a bean that fell in there. You know I love my semi-homemade recipes. So what we've got here, we've got a 15-ounce can of just tomato sauce. I'm going to pour it in. And then we have a 1 pound, a 28-ounce can of just regular diced tomatoes. You're going to pour that right in there with the juice. And what you're going to notice immediately is how thick this is. It's super thick. So to kind of offset that so you can stir it a little better, we're going to add about a cup of water. And our crock pot is pretty full. One last ingredient, 2 cubes of bouillon. I use this Knorr brand bouillon, some beef flavored bouillon for this dish. And then we're just gonna kind of give this a quick stir. And it's very, very thick. If you wanted to add another ½ cup of water, I'm sure it would be fine. But once we kind of give this a quick stir and combine it, see how quick that was? We are going to put this on the heating element of the slow cooker, turn it on, let it go for about 4 to 6 hours. In fact, I'm going to do that now, and then I will check back with you here and we'll look at the final result. Well, hi guys, I just wanted to check back in with you before my kids and the husband gets home and it gets loud and crazy around here. It's been nearly 5 hours since I put this crock pot full of chili on the heat this morning. My house smells absolutely amazing. It's looking really, really good. In the last 5 hours, I did adjust the spices. I added an extra tablespoon of cumin and extra tablespoon of chili powder, a little bit of salt and pepper, I also added hot sauce, just a couple of dashes of this, just to give it a little hint of that peppery flavor. Now, Evan will go to town with this stuff in his bowl and spice it up nice and hot, but you know, get it too hot and there's not a chance my kids are going to touch it. But I'm going to go ahead and let you take a peek inside the crock pot so you can see the consistency and the color of the chili after being on the heat for 5 hours. So here we go. Hang on tight. Okay. Well, hopefully you got a good look at how it's looking now. The recipe as it is will make about 10 1-cup servings, and we'll use it for a couple of days. We'll put it on hot dogs, we'll eat it in bowls. Evan likes to put it on eggs. We just enjoy the heck out of it. One of our absolute favorite things to cook in the crock pot. It's certainly one of our favorite fall dishes. Do me a favor and leave me a comment below letting me know what is your favorite fall dish or ingredient. What is the flavor you most look forward to when the cooler weather is on its way. Do me a favor, subscribe. We've got a lot more recipes coming up. I do have 2 recipes for vegetarian chili coming up soon. I will be vlogging them here on YouTube as well. You guys have a great Friday, a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all here again real soon. Bye now.